Students, will continue with this important part today, and that is acceleration due to gravity, which is generally represented by the letter small g. What is acceleration due to gravity? Very simple to understand. As usual, Earth pulls all the objects thrown vertically upward direction in the downward direction. As the object falls in the vertically downward direction, the speed of that object increases. Why? Because Earth attracts it with the gravitational force. The speed of the object increases. As the object falls in the vertically downward direction, the speed of the object increases means the object accelerates. Increase in speed is called acceleration. So, when the object falls in the vertically downward direction, the speed of the object increases, that is, the object accelerates in the vertically downward direction, and this acceleration is due to Earth, and that is the Earth's gravitational force, which is called gravity, and hence the word comes acceleration due to gravity. I'll repeat, Earth pulls all the objects in the vertically downward direction. As the object falls in the vertically downward direction, its speed increases. Speed increases, the object falls with an acceleration. Since the acceleration is due to Earth's gravitational force, which is called gravity, it is called acceleration due to gravity, denoted by the letter g. Okay? From the Newton's law of gravitation, students, what we have? Force is equal to g, mass of Earth, mass of the body, divided by distance of that particular body from the Earth's center. Okay, this is Earth, and this is that small r. Now what is force? Mass into acceleration. From the Newton's law of motion, force is, or I'll put it like this, from Newton's law of motion, simple, F is equal to ma. Instead of a, we'll use the letter g because it is acceleration under Earth's gravity. Therefore, students, substitute it here. Mg is equal to g, capital M into small m, divided by small r square. M cancels. Therefore, g is equal to gm divided by small r square. If the object lies here on the Earth's surface, instead of the object being at a suitable height from the Earth's surface, samjha if the object reaches the Earth's surface, then small r is equal to capital R. Where capital R is called as the Earth's radius. Therefore, on the Earth's surface, what we have on the Earth's surface, g is equal to capital G, capital M divided by capital R square. Okay? Please substitute the values. Therefore, what is small g equal to what is capital G? 6.67 into 10 raised to minus 11. Capital M 6 into 10 raised to 24 divided by small r 6.4 into 10 raised to 6 square. Students, if you count it approximately, it is if you do the calculation part, which is not required and which need not be sure also, it comes out to be 9.8. What is the unit? Meter per second square. Approximately, a bit less it is. Okay? So what is the value of acceleration due to gravity on the Earth's surface? It is 9.8, approximately, let me clear, 9.8 meters per second square. I'll repeat this part. What is acceleration due to gravity? When the body falls in the vertically downward direction under the Earth's gravitational influence, it accelerates. Since the acceleration is due to gravity, it is called acceleration due to gravity. From the Newton's law of gravitation, force is equal to g m1 m2 divided by r square. Newton's law of motion, F is equal to mg, डालो, mm cancel, g is equal to gm divided by r square. Now on the earth, if the body is on the earth surface, small r is equal to capital R. झालं. हां, घालूया, सबस्टिट्यूट करूया and ends the job. Is it okay? G is equal to 9.8 meter per second square. Is it fine? In textbook it is given as 9.77, but whenever we consider the earth's surface, when the body is lying on the earth's surface, it's always considered as 9.8 meters per second square. ठीक है? Important part I'm going to teach you now. Please concentrate. We are going to discuss how does the value of G changes. Variation of G due to shape of earth. Variation of G due to height from the earth's surface, and variation of G due to depth below the earth's surface. Concentrate here. Students, let me clear here. How does the acceleration due to gravity changes due to earth's shape? Due to continuous rotation of the earth, students, earth is not perfectly spherical, but it is bulged at the equator and flattened at the poles. It appears like an orange, student. It's not perfectly spherical. It's slightly bulged at the equator because of the centrifugal force and flattened at the poles. पोल्स कडे चपलेलं असतं आणि इक्वेटर कडे फुगलेलं असतं, त्याला बल्ज्ड म्हणतात. So if you count this distance from the earth center, it is more. This distance is quite less. Now if you look into the formula, G is equal to gm divided by small r square for any height. Students, equator, this